I'm going to show you how to get auditions. Doesn't matter where you live. Coming up. Alright, let's get started. Number one, you can start with these acting websites. There's tons of acting websites, and my personal favorite is Backstage, Allcasting, and Actorsaccess.com. And do your research very exclusive on Google. Yeah, do your research very competitively to actually find results on Google. These websites are good for you. Or Backstage filters out details of jobs you don't like, it doesn't fit your interest, and other jobs don't fit your interest as well. And Allcasting, it goes to filtering out like locations, interest, and other sorts of filters. Actorsaccess.com, you create your profile, and a lot of these three websites are my personal favorite. You can edit your profile, like your headshot, your name, your social link, and all that jazz, and your resume and all that. And Backstage is the one a lot of international people use, because you can apply for a job even you're in UK and the nearby location is in London or something, and you're in Australia, and these websites are all internationally. You know, you could use these to book auditions through there. But a little disclaimer, when you sign up for these, they're totally free. You could sign up for these totally free and create your account, and I suggest you to do that first. But a little disclaimer that you need to pay these websites to apply for jobs. So you need to pay for these websites to apply for jobs. And I got other free ones. And then now the second one you could do is hire an agent. And this is totally, it depends on how it is. And you don't hire agents as like you pay them money. The only way how agents get paid is when you land a job, acting project or something, a commercial, feature film, whatever it is, and when you get paid from that job, the agent gets a percentage of that. And what agents do, if you don't know what agents do, this is what they do. So their job is to market yourself to different opportunities, acting job, commercial, different films you might be interested in doing, right? And then later, when they find a hit you might be interested in, and like casting directors are interested in doing an audition with you, the agent will reach out to you, who's representing you as an actor, actress, voiceover actor, you know, and then they're going to say, I got hit for you, I got opportunity for you, so here's the date, all the information, description stuff you need to know for this upcoming audition for this project title, film, movie, TV show, commercial, but all the jazz. They just help you. They're pretty much your mom in this. They're just helping you get jobs to get paid so they can get paid and all that jazz. So number three, and this is totally free. These last two are totally free. You could do it, and this is what I started doing when I was like 10 years old, is connections. I connected to a lot of people through Google, social media, email, in-person conferences. Of course, you can't do these like indoor events right now because coronavirus. So what I did when I was younger is social media. Just connect with a lot of people on social media, casting directors, agents. I'm more focused on the agents and casting directors on social media. And then after I do like one job with them, and then later when they have like this other job coming up, project coming up, like later in June 2016, they might reach back to me because I did a good job on the first job. So what I suggest for you, if you're just starting out and you want to get back into it or just start, I suggest you to connect with many people as you can through social media, in person if you can, and like apply for projects like on Backstage. Allcasting are good sites to use, and you could actually see to there land your first job without or with an agent. All right, this is it for the video. If you watched to this point, I appreciate you. I consider you to subscribe and like down below, because I post a lot of acting tutorials like this of auditions, and I'm going to post more about the entertainment industry. If you're interested about that, go subscribe down below and share this video to a friend who you think might be interested in this kind of thing. Further ado, I'm out. Peace.